Hey there friends, thanks for checking in at the range. And I've got the Bersa TPR9. The TPR series was released a couple months ago in 2018. Bersa made some changes to it that I think most shooters are going to like. First, they thinned down the grip, changed some of the texturing on the grip. This is the larger model. You get full 3-finger contact, and it does hold 17 rounds in the magazine, so we have good capacity there. It is an unloaded firearm. We have a 4 1/4 inch barrel, alloy aluminum frame, 1913 rail, ambidextrous controls, both slide stop and decocker, both sides. It does have front serrations for the press check, serrated memory pad for the weak side thumb, but the most impressive thing that I think this gun offers is the reset in single action. I think it's pretty amazing. So here's, the first pull. Check out this reset right there. The shortest reset I think I've ever felt with a handgun. It is like nothing. So I find that impressive. This is my second time at the range. I wanted to take some shots and learn about the gun before I did my review, but I already did a tabletop review. Now we're at the range, about 10 yards away. Let's see how the TPR9 does with those targets. That was only 10 rounds, but I tell you what, as soon as you fire that first shot, that second shot is ready to go, and it feels really nice. All right, we've got the TPR9 and we're 20 yards away. Let's see how it goes. Couple of those shots I rushed. Bersa TPR9. Remington Golden Saber black belt loaded up in the Bersa TPR9. Fed it no problem. So there it is, guys. Bersa TPR9, a budget gun that offers quite a bit with all these features right in the mid 300s. I've put easy 250 rounds through it and have had zero issues with it. It shoots straight, has a nice feel to it, and it's a smooth shooter. Very low muzzle rise when firing, and I have to say, I have no regrets getting this larger model with the 4 1/4 inch barrel. The other one is, I believe, 3.2 inch barrel. That's the TPR9C, but this one just suits the bill for me. I find it to be a nice shooting handgun, and everything that it has to offer for a budget price, I think it's a pretty good deal. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.